Fish on. Don't know what this is. Channel, Flathead, we'll see. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the Cedar River right beneath the little roller dam here, and we are just going to be fishing with some night crawlers on a circle hook and seeing if we can catch some fish. So stay tuned. See, here is our setup. We've got our live night crawler beneath, and on top, a jig head with some Berkeley Gulp night crawler. Head. Cast that out and just let it sit on the bottom. Getting some bites already. Yeah, I kind of had a bad feeling about that right off the bat. Stripped our worm. Try threading it on. Don't know what that is, but I don't think it's good. Strip that off like so. And hopefully they won't be able to just suck it right off. There we go. Here's another one. Not on the line we wanted. Got a feeling it's just another baby catfish. Oh, nice. Never caught one of these fish before. This is a flathead catfish. Wow. What a cool fish. First ever flathead catfish. Just on the night crawler and a little circle hook. What a cool catch. This is our rig of choice. Just a circle hook. Not quite sure what size it is. And we've got some night crawler pinched on. And we can cast it out there. This is the Cedar River that's running here, and here we've got some slack still water, which is where a lot of fish will kind of come in and hang out because they don't have to battle that current out there. Just gonna set it and let it be, but I'm watching the line to see when it jumps, and when that slack line pulls out, there's likely a fish biting on it. Upgrades to some bigger hooks here. New setup with some slightly bigger octopus hooks. We've got night crawler on bottom still, Berkeley Gulp on top. You can see there's quite a bit of a size difference, so we'll see if that has any effect. I call this rig the Snag City rig. Throw it right into that hole. There's a bite. Nope. And something was looking at it. Still have our night crawler. There we go. Something has it. Oh no. Spit it out. That looked like a little, like a bluegill or a carp or something. Did not look like a catfish. There we go. Make sure to get that hook set this time. This feels like a catfish. Oh. Are you kidding me? Came off again. Yeah, they're definitely biting that real night crawler. Not really paying any attention to the Berkeley Gulp. This rod I'm using doesn't really have the backbone to get a good hook set. Every time. See, the Nightcrawler compared to the Berkeley Gold, I definitely think that they have a preference. There we go. There's another fish. Number 3 for the circle hook and Nightcrawler. This is probably the best one of the day, putting up a pretty good fight. Oh yeah, much better fish. Is it channel or flathead though? To be determined. Nice flathead, you guys. Well, not a monster by any means, by how big these guys get, but only my second ever flathead. What a cool fish. Oh man, that grip is pretty intense. What a cool fish. Top of the mouth there. Circle hook does not fail. Let's let him go. That's another fish. Swimming at us. These are much better than the first 2 we caught. Oh, now he's just going down. Oh, I think he had us on a rock. Try to bring him back this way. That's a much bigger fish. Don't know what this is. Channel, flathead, we'll see. Oh, he's digging. This is probably the biggest one of the day so far, just based on the fight that he's giving us. Let's try to bring him up, see what he is. He's not done yet. Taking another run back. Come on. I think this is going to be the biggest one. I think it's another flathead. Just come on. Come on. That thing's full of it. Oh, no, it's a big channel. That's a big channel catfish. Nice. Oh man, take a look at this kitty. Biggest one of the day. Nice fish on the circle hook and Nightcrawler. Let's get the hook out and send him off. Get one last look at him. Send him off. Pretty big catfish. What a cool catch. Let's check our other line here. Another one on. Oh, they were just crushing the Nightcrawler this morning. Oh, it came off. Look at that gummed up line from the catfish. That is disgusting. Oh, you guys. Fish. Fish on. This one feels quite a bit smaller than the others, but fish is a fish. Still take it. Looks like another channel. Oh no, another flathead. bad fish, another small one. We'll go ahead and let him go. Three channels, 3 flatheads. There's that 2 channels, 3 flatheads. I think that's what it is. Yeah, 3 flatheads, 3 channels. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I think we had 7 fish total. I think 3 flatheads, 3 channel catfish, and 1 bluegill caught off camera. GoPro died, but regardless, personal bests in both channel catfish and flathead. I'd never caught a flathead before, so that was really neat. Thank you guys again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.